Hello everyone, I'm Manoolkay, and in this video I want to show you neutral makeup tutorial or how to look beautifully with acne. Every link on music and me in info box. Let's start. For starting, I remove my hair so it doesn't interfere me. The foundation looks goodly on my skin. I apply moisturizing cream and parallel with this moisturize my lips. Then I apply moisturized makeup base on all my face and luminous base too.
Try myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not?
I apply green color corrector on my acne to conceal red coral. Then I apply matte and luminous foundation, because my skin is oily and if I apply only luminous foundation, my skin becomes oily very fast.
I don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah.
I mix light and dark concealer to make color for my skin and apply it on my dark circle. You can't see it maybe, but it is blending it carefully.
You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, new age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, why you gotta go? I just wanna know, I just wanna know now.
I take contour corrector and make my face more figure.
Hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth.
Like uncolored powder to fix my foundation and concealer. I take this brown color from James Charles palette and use it as a bronzer to make my face a little bit sunburned.
Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. I'm talking confused. I tried to be patient with you, yeah. I'm talking confused. I tried to be patient with you, yeah.
Then I apply this color as a blush to fresh my face. And I'm already drawn my eyebrows, and now I highlight my face with color fades. I apply transition shade to fix my concealer. Then I apply color like a bronzer on my lower and upper lid and blending it carefully. Then I curl my eyelashes and apply waterproof mascara. And it looks so natural, but I like falsies, so I glue it. Then I draw contour of my lips with lip pencil and apply colored lip balm. Then I draw freckles on my face because acne will be lost in it and acne won't be so noticeable. Remember, if you want to hide your acne, apply something like freckles or glitter on your face, and an attention of others will be on these glitter, freckles or something you apply, not on acne.
The time you told me that you wish you were dead.
And it's all. Thank you all for watching. I think this video was interesting for you. Stick me in Instagram, like and subscribe. Bye!